Well, Kavita's innovation and supply chain is a never-ending process. I think we've done some massive innovations in quality and testing, and we're really leading the world now in honey testing. We do triple shot tests, we do a whole lot of things that give us fast, accurate results so that we can make sure we hit the quality standard. Our core innovations around supply chain are number one, building scale, but just as importantly, building scale and maintaining quality. Put a huge investment in testing, and the science that has gone on and the science program into our testing program has been really significant. The other thing that's really different about Kavita is we're very vertically integrated in terms of supply. So not only do we package and produce honey and market it, we also produce it at a beekeeping level. And all of those things mean you've got to have a really, really good supply chain. We've moved from we take the order from our customer to a demand-driven supply chain, which means we're forecasting forward what our demand will be and producing to that demand.
We have a range of investments here in New Zealand. The one that we're probably most notably known for is our investments in dairy farming. In terms of the uniqueness of our supply chain, firstly, we do own the farms, which is really quite unusual for a dairy industry. So we have an affinity with the farms, we understand what creates great milk, and because of our connection through the ultimate consumer, we actually understand what attributes are really important to them in the milk that we are producing. So then from our farm, we have a relationship, and then I think this is unique as well within New Zealand, where we have a relationship with Maraka. We have effectively a take or pay arrangement with their plant, and they process the UHT milk to our specifications. The third innovation is the way that we actually do our marketing. Our desire to explore the newer routes to market, to try to bypass the cost, the expense, the difficulty through the normal retail channels in China. So there's the three innovations that stick out for myself.
Finalists saw many years ago at the start of our growth journey the need to be able to control the supply chain from end to end. We've invested heavily so that we can control on-farm, in partnership with our farmers, the quality and the quality systems they have in place to the extent that they can be audited on-farm. We then control the milk coming into our factory so that we can produce infant formula of the highest quality. And ultimately, we have that product sealed in a container and shipped to our partners in China. For us, a key part of our strategy is being able to control our supply chain from end to end with complete integrity. Even this week, we have just launched with our partner in China, New Hope, a new system called Finalists Sure, so that our customers can take a can of infant formula, take their smartphone, and have instant assurance that this product is real and it has come from Finalists, and that they're buying a product that has followed our complete integrity system.